So this is the evaluation question 2, but it cut out on the first one. So this is the ancillaries. So this is our first magazine advert. There it is. So first of all, the audience did not like the geometric background as they didn't understand why it was there. We thought we'd put it there because it matches the mask and how it's a geometric panda mask, but the audience did not like that about the thing. Also, speaking about the panda mask, they thought it looked very fake, which you can clearly see why. They also pointed out that Jamie's body is actually green, which we didn't realise, so that's also another negative. Going to the font, they didn't like that. They thought it was too childish. And then the panda with the 4 was hard to read. And then also, finally, the reviews they thought was not a professional take on it. And you can understand why. They said they needed to be more realistic and more spread it around, as to the left of the panda didn't really go well. But they did like the fact we got iTunes and their social media down there. Now, going to the digipack, the first thing you say is they don't like the background. We've already established that. But a good point they did say they said we've got a clear branding between our media products. So we have the panda mask, which is featured in every single one, and also the DJ deck. We needed to make sure that there was clear branding because that's what it's all about. Moving on to draft 2. Let's scroll up. This was our digipack for draft 2. Oh, yeah, this is our for draft 2. So the first thing that was pointed out by our audience was what Josh is wearing here. He said it's not something a DJ would wear. You can understand it. It's a North Face puffer jacket, Parker, whatever. Doesn't look convincing in the DJ genre. Also, again, the mask here looks very fake. And under the disc here, you can see it's hard to look. This is what they've said. There's a DJ desk, but our audience said they couldn't tell that it was a DJ desk. So we needed to, for future drafts, for our final draft, we needed to improve that. And then also the powder. The audience liked the powder, however, they wanted colours that was seen more in the video. So we don't see this purple or turquoisey blue colour in the video. They wanted more of a red, an orange, a green approach. So that was it. But you can still see that our panda mask is there. So they said we've still got the branding, which is essentially what you need. And we've also got good barcode, good production company, etc. And then going to the magazine adverts, they said it was very basic. There's no background. It looks rushed, essentially. Also, the costume of Josh, the mask, it doesn't go well. However, the one positive thing they did say was that the actual panda font they really liked. So after long hours of trying to find a suitable font, we finally found a font that people thought was good.